Welcome to the AutoCAD Electrical Professional Certification Program, offered in partnership with the Baroda Institute of Technology. This course provides a comprehensive curriculum designed by IIT Patna experts, 100% practical training on real-world industrial projects, and dedicated placement assistance to launch your career. Why choose AutoCAD Electrical and Industrial Automation? AutoCAD Electrical is the global standard for electrical control design. Unlike standard CAD, it automates engineering tasks, reducing errors and saving significant design time, often by up to 85% on complex projects. Our program highlights include a curriculum designed by IIT Patna and delivered by BIT Baroda. It is a certified program featuring hands-on labs, real-world projects, mastery of global standards like IEC and NFPA, and dedicated portfolio and placement support to ensure you are job-ready. Who should attend this specialized program? It is ideal for engineering graduates and diploma holders seeking core electrical design roles, working professionals looking to transition into design roles, and ITI electricians and technicians aiming to upgrade their skills with industry-standard CAD tools. The learning outcomes focus on essential skills, including producing professional electrical schematics and panel layouts, configuring project settings, designing comprehensive PLC and automation circuits, generating automated reports like BOMs, and preparing professional design portfolios. Module 01 introduces electrical CAD and industrial automation. You will master CAD fundamentals, understand automation building blocks like PLCs and VFDs, learn to read industrial drawings, and adhere to international standards such as IEC and NFPA. Module 02 focuses on the AutoCAD electrical interface, projects, and standards. Key topics include project configuration using the project manager, customizing symbol libraries, defining drafting rules, and mastering data management for revisions. Module 03 covers schematic design workflows and circuit logic. You will learn to create detailed wiring diagrams, design ladder logic diagrams, configure PLC/I/O drawings, and implement circuit best practices for error checking and compliance. Module 04 is dedicated to panel design and wiring workflows. This includes mastering panel general arrangement, designing terminal strips and cable routing, implementing automated wire numbering and device tagging, and ensuring safety and serviceability standards. Module 05 covers PLC and automation integration workflow. You will define hardware configuration, implement I/O addressing and mapping, design control circuits and logic, and create seamless automation documentation packs. Mastering this makes you eligible for high-demand automation engineer roles. Module 06 focuses on reports and documentation, streamlining your project deliverables. Key skills include automatic BOM generation, creating wire and cable reports, efficient drawing set management, and generating final as-built documentation packs. Module 07 explores project standards and productivity tools. You will learn to create robust project templates, accelerate design time with macros and saved circuits, leverage design automation, and utilize QA and compliance tools for error checking. Gain hands-on experience through real-world projects. You will build an industrial conveyor control panel, design automation for a packaging machine, and simulate a plant utility panel retrofit, ensuring you have a portfolio-ready body of work. We emphasize career preparation by helping you build a professional portfolio. This includes 3 to 5 complete projects, documentation sets like BOMs and wire lists, and project summaries. Every portfolio is reviewed by industry experts. Our tool-wise learning pathway takes you from a beginner to a professional in 12 weeks. You will move through foundations, schematics, panel design, PLC integration, documentation, and a final capstone project, mastering the workflow used in top industrial automation firms. The course prepares you for high-demand roles, including electrical design engineer, panel design engineer, PLC design engineer, and electrical CAD engineer across sectors like EPC, manufacturing, and automation. The market snapshot for 2026 shows high demand, with over 31,500 active openings in India alone. Professionals with both AutoCAD Electrical and PLC skills command significantly higher salaries. Growth is driven by Industry 4.0, EV infrastructure, and renewable energy. Your career progression follows a structured journey. Start with fundamentals, build complete designs, integrate PLC and automation, deliver full documentation, and present your portfolio to achieve the goal of becoming an industry-ready electrical designer. BIT ensures placement readiness through comprehensive interview preparation, a recognized certification with an IIT Patna-designed curriculum, and dedicated career support. Our graduates successfully transition into roles like electrical design engineer and automation engineer. Start your journey today with our simple enrollment process. Apply online, undergo eligibility counseling, receive your onboarding kit, and begin learning. Limited seats are available, so secure your spot now by visiting our website or calling for counseling.